Hey guys, welcome back to No Russians Allowed. I'm Jesterhead or Master Zaeb as you want, and I'm playing Nyx Assassin. I'm going to play solo offlane, so let's see how we'll do that. Just change some settings quickly. Playing with two of my mates, it's a ranked match. Let's see how good Nyx Assassin am I. Sometimes I'm good with him, sometimes I'm really mediocre, we shall see. It all depends of the amount of deaths that I receive in the beginning.
Guys, I'm not be able to buy any support items till my blink dagger, so you might have to get some.
Unfortunately, Omni didn't give me any wards for top, so I'm going to have to be extra careful. Let's try to block this. Due to his long body, it's not a problem to block with Nyx Assassin, as you can see. I'm not that good in blocking, but you can see how easy it is. Okay, I'm going to be fighting Shadow Shaman and Razor. This is a very tough lane for me. If I'm able to do stuff, that's good, but just need to get last hits. Shit. No! This was too close, fucking hell. I just want to disrupt his potion of clarity. And now I can finally get some farm. Yeah, it's a very dangerous lane for me because they can get me with those shackles, and after that Razor can just sap my attack damage, and you know what happens after that. Easy kill. Good thing is that they're not pulling, that's fantastic for me. And the only good thing so far that's been happening in this lane, I managed to get a couple of hits, but other than that, I mean, I can't complain. Fantastic thing that they're not pulling, I mean, pretty happy with that. How much is the recipe? 135. Okay, good. Let's see. I'm going for Dagon build, obviously, and after that Ethereal Blade. Maybe it will work, maybe it will not work, I don't know. They have a lot of magic damage with Tiny, Razor, Shadow Shaman, and Viper.
Alright, carry on.
So I'm going to see how this ends up. I don't have enough for stun. I do have to back up after this, and nice. And get this potion of clarity going. Nice. Shit. If he shackles me, it's going to be a huge issue. But he did not shackle me. Awesome. A lot of damage has been sapped from my attack. I can't even last hit at this moment. It was the best possible chance to get some to get that potion of clarity off. Unfortunately, I did not do so. For fuck's sake, what now? I'm level 4. 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 . 4 It's awesome. Soon level 5. Nice. Easy escape. Now I have minus damage, so I can't kill anything at all. Which means I need to back up and just get some mana going and get some easy levels. Ah crap, missed that last hit badly. Don't want to risk anything. It would be really stupid for me to go in now and Potion of Clarity to be off, to be interrupted, because I really need the mana, and now I'm good. I've gained some experience. They did not push me out. No, fuck. I need to get every last hit. Oh god, horrible miss. Nice. Well, they killed one of our guys bottom. That's okay. Going to try to get mana boots. I really need them desperately. Oh god, again dead. Nice, Faceless got a kill. Unfortunately, due to that middle forget to set missing. Awesome. Not looking good. I think they're pulling now. For the first time. Good for me, I can get a couple of easy last hits. Yeah, easy. I'm really not a good last hitter, that's why I like playing off lanes, because my survivability is usually pretty good. And you don't need to worry about getting too many last hits, you just need to get levels and not die. Who is middle? Viper. I might be killing Viper. Okay, time for Dagon. Okay, kinda fucked up now. My missing call was very late. Let's see if I can kill Tiny. Nice. Nice, nice. Got a first kill. Excellent. Let's go help more of them, because everyone is missing. Nice, Viper is dead. Why?
This fucking Shadow Fiend, man.
Doesn't matter. Oh, the Sheriff, and why did he use Chrono? Totally stupid Chrono. Oh shit. Well, I managed to get an easy kill on Rubik. Easy kill. No! No! I'm dead. Stun him, stun him, stun him. Oh my fucking god.
Your bottom tower's in a tight spot.
No! Oof. Fucking hell.
Radiant structures must have been
2 times now that I've been very close to death.
aiming to wreck your bottom tower.
Just couldn't do anything, had to get away. Too risky. Oh, bloody hell.
Check your bottom tower.
Well, time to get him. I'll
Your bottom
TP
tower
middle
ain't long
and
for this world.
try to gank them.
They're meaning to smash that bottom tower of yours. The other fella's aiming to wreck your bottom tower.
Come on. Nice.
Your mid tower
Easy
ain't
kill.
doing too well. It's a fine mess we got here.
I love stealth heroes and Nyx is probably my favorite. Actually, no, I love Bounty Hunter a lot more than Nyx Assassin. But still, both of them very fun. Tiny top. I'm going to contest his farm, and if I can, I'll kill him.
Dude, stop taking my fucking last hits, you fucking moron. I'm trying to fucking farm, piss off out of my lane, okay? I don't care what you need, you're a fucking annoying twat. You're an annoying little cunt and I don't want you here, okay?
Biding their time. Your top tower's getting all
My
banged
mate
up.
is pissed off. Okay, let's see if I can kill Tiny.
Your top tower's hurting.
I think I've entered the range. No! Come on, one more, one more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice! Nice kill. This is pretty good.
Your mid tower's in a bit of a bind.
I've been killing their carries a bit, and couple of times Rubik. It's looking good so far for me. And top tower might go down. I need to get this tower. Fuck me. Not good. Well, I have enough to escape with my invisibility. Okay, it's good. Tower is down.
The other fella's top tower won't be making trouble no
I'm
more.
going to TP to my base and going to help bottom. Looking good so far, guys. Looking really good. I'm already level 11. 12 minutes in. 13 minutes in. Fucking A. Middle level 9. They're level 9. Am I the highest level on the team? Yes, I am. Awesome. And I almost have my Dagon level 1. Well, Dagon level 1 is nothing special, but still. Nice, let's go, let's get him. Okay, this was stupid, this was stupid, this was stupid. Help me! Shit, no one was here. Okay, this was not smart. I fucked up with this. Void first,
Your mid tower needs a little help.
but we got Void.
If you think I'm going first, man, you're fucking crazy.
It's funny. Shit, I fed my mega kill streak for nothing. Let's defend bottom. I'm gonna go on Shadow Shaman, but I need some help. Need some help.
Nothing left of the other fella's mid tower.
I really need some help.
Your bottom tower's in a tight spot.
Nice.
That top tower of yours ain't doing so good.
Awesome.
Radiant's toughened up their structures. Your top
But we got
tower's in
problem
trouble.
top. They might actually trade the towers, which is not good.
Heal me!
He repelled the Viper. Unfucking
What the
believable.
fuck is wrong with you, Omni Knight?
The other fellas disowned their bottom tower.
You're a fucking idiot, Omni Knight. Fuck off. Just uninstall those, you fucking noob.
Nice. Nice. What?
Heal me, you fucking moron. My god, you suck at this game.
He's so
Why
pissed.
the fuck do I get matched with fucking retards like you, man? This is hard to understand. It hurts my fucking brain. Yeah, fucking 5 times in a row.
Well, that's funny if it's true. People want to play too many of these ranked matches and they don't know how to play heroes. Not good, not good at all.
Hate to be your mid tower right about now.
Let's see if I can burst down white. Oh no, oh no, can't do this. I really need help. Nice. Help me, someone. Fucking hell, heal me. Nice. Why? Why is he wasting chrono on one guy? I don't understand. Well, I got my invisibility in 10 seconds, that's good.
They're meaning to smash that bottom tower of yours.
Shit, and I'm fucked.
Your bottom tower ain't long for this world.
No!
Just hang on tight.
Okay, Fog of War, help me, Fog of War.
Hope you weren't partial to your bottom tower.
Could really use the fucking help. Nice. Shit. Okay, time to get back.
Your mid tower's coming apart.
Don't know how I managed to survive, but it's looking good so far for me. I really have enough farm, which I cannot say the same for others. Let me see what our Void has.
Smash your mid
Well,
tower.
not bad. Battle Fury.
Might want
Nice.
to check your bottom tower.
Nice. Now time to kill someone. Or something. Like
Right,
Viper.
regroup, I got a black on now.
They're meaning to smash that bottom tower of yours. Might want to check your bottom tower.
Oh boy. Bad black
The
hole.
other fella's aiming to wreck your bottom tower.
Unfucking believable. Rubik, well played Rubik. The Rubik really did a good job.
It's called going round someone. If you've played Dota more often, maybe you'd know what the fuck that means. Oh sure, he's got me. Okay, I'm a chicken, I leave now. I'm probably dead.
You're most surely dead.
Oh yeah, Shaman's used his ulti, so you're fine, go push.
Shit, I had two really stupid deaths. What now?
Alright, carry on.
Oh, I thought he was AFK. All good. I'm not going to miss out on this opportunity to get some last hits.
Almost feel bad for your
Okay, time to kill something.
top. Heavy, ain't it? Almost feel bad for your top. There goes your top tower.
Oh shit. Ah, fuck me. I fucked up now. Nice, go Void.
Your top tower's hurt.
He really needs his mask of madness.
To be sure.
Don't know why doesn't he... Why didn't he
That
bought
top
it?
tower of
Now
yours
he's
ain't
probably
doing
dead.
so good. An end of an age.
Crap! Not looking good. What's my Dagon level? Only 2. Need to have more. I fucked up. I really fucked up. I would have stunned him if I just used my Impale, because in AoE area. After you use it, you stun everything. That's certain.
Ain't seen this many trees in a long time.
Shit, this is scary. I really don't know where they are.
I can't buy any of my items because you aren't buying any support items on me, and I need you to.
Nice. Got level 16. Now, if I can pick someone off, that would be fantastic. I get additional damage and additional duration. Do I get additional damage? Yeah, I do. Can probably damage Razor for a significant amount, and now I will probably get third level of Dagon. Why is he stealing farm? Wow, this Omni really something. You doesn't support, he doesn't do anything, it's just... Level 12 Viper. Yeah, we can definitely kill him. Oh god. But it's all good, got it in a minute. Yeah, this Omninat is destroying our game. He has some bad moves, he's stealing farm. Got my ulti in a second. Ah, fucking hell, can't get any farm with this going on. But I get Dagon level 3 finally. Punch. I think this guy might be trolling. What the fuck is he going for? Sacred Relic.
Your bottom tower's in a tight spot.
Unfucking believable.
Radiant's gone and fortified their structures.
Shit. Okay, it's warded. It's definitely warded. Razor has gem. Nice. Nice. Oh, fucking hell, he had to toss me. What bullshit. At least we got the gem and we wiped them out. Nah, just one of the worst players I've ever seen. I don't know what the fuck is this guy thinking. Just horrible. Nice. Very nice. Razor down. It's always a good thing. Why the fuck is he farming? I never report players for their playstyle unless they're feeding, but this guy deserves it. Ah, shit. Nice. Yeah, they couldn't do anything.
Heal me. Heal me. Oh, on me, you fucking useless piece of shit. Omni, you're a fucking pile of shit, man. Just uninstall this game, please. You can't even fucking heal people.
Just sad. Said that we need to get these kind of people in our team that do nothing. But just to know everyone with their bad playstyle. At least got my level 4 gem. Level 4 Dagon, but they got gem again. So yeah, that's problematic. And I'm down for 20 more seconds. Started to die a lot, not good. I mean, I got the kills, I got the farm, it's all good, but I don't know how this will end up. Blink, BKB, not bad, not bad. Okay, Void is pretty farmed. It's definitely a good thing, but we need to push. We need to get some towers down. Good thing with Nyx on level 3. Shit, they got gem. Good thing about level 3 is that if you don't use your attack, you're good still. Nah, just can't do shit. This guy has repel. We really need that fucking gem. Oh my god. Just stop.
Fear not heresy.
And he's dead now.
I'll offer you a soldier's prayer.
He has radiance. Give me a fucking break.
Be fearless.
Well, he played this good. He played this good, I gotta get it. I gotta admit that. He did fantastic job. But the problem is that his spells would do a lot more good on us than it's doing on him. Now I can roam more freely and try to find some other kills.
I think they're doing Roche.
Oh my god, I used every fucking thing on him and I didn't kill him. Wow.
Nah, it's a waste.
All wands will break.
Wow. Oh god, no, I missed. Finally, he used it on me. Yeah, Viper is focusing me with his BKB, I can't do shit. But they got 2 carries down, so it's good.
Heal me. Heal me.
Fear nothing, nothing.
Heal me. Oh, you fucking retard, man.
What the fuck?
Okay, fucking nice one, man. Omni, you fucking piece of shit, man.
So frustrating, is it not?
Your mid tower needs a little help.
Why did he use dust?
Hate to be your mid tower.
Let me guess, they have the gem. Or they don't have it.
Tower's
Oh
gone.
no, we got it.
There's
Awesome.
always next time. Your mid tower's coming apart. Dying's just
Time
a
to
part of
nuke
living.
someone. Whoa, they're all here. Nice. Easy kill on Shaman. You get Shaman down, you get a lot of advantage in team fight because of his disables. One of the best, actually probably the best support in game. I think International 4 proved that. I always thought Shaman as one of the best. Always wondered why people are not using him more in pro scene. Well, now they are. I don't know if he got any buffs or anything, but farming next to Void is impossible, so I don't even want to worry about that one.
Roche is
Oh
done
shit,
for.
this is bad. This is bad. Look at this idiot.
Feeling shock.
What the fuck is he doing? This guy is special kind of retarded. Special kind, I swear. Nah, I don't. My guys are raging at him as it is, so I don't want to do the same thing. If I can get a good chronosphere, things are going to get a lot easier.
Got a feeling things are gonna pick up real soon.
I don't like to insult other people, but this guy is
Your top tower's hurting.
truly something.
No breaking down the radiant structures like this.
Nice. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and I got the stun. No! Come on, go, get him, nice. Okay, only Tiny remaining. Shit, Tiny is such a great carry, especially this late game. Good thing is I managed to get Viper down fast. Oh shit, Razor here. Forgot about him. Okay, this is bad. This is very bad. They will probably get through our base now. Yeah. I don't have enough for buyback.
Top tower's in trouble.
Come on, go, mate. Go, mate, you can do it.
That top
Carry
tower
versus
of
carry.
yours ain't doing so
Problem is the mechanism. If he gets some crits, get him. Okay. No reason to risk his life. Actually, he played that smart. Wow, very interesting game. We are up on kills, but regarding push tactic, we got nothing. They're all three tier 2 towers are up still. I don't know how, I don't know why we're not pushing, but it is what it is, unfortunately.
Go get him.
Fuck it. No one wants it. I'll take it. Maybe we can burst down Razor. Okay, they're coming middle. They're coming middle. Void, don't risk it. Void. Nice. And he continues to kill steal. To creep steal. Unfucking believable. Ah, he's dead. He's dead.
Fear not, Harrison.
Maybe not. Oh my god, this guy is tanky. Really need to go back. Nice. Nice. Team wipe.
Heal me. Heal me. You fucking retard, man.
This guy is really special.
Yeah, I can't with this fucking Omni Knight. He hasn't healed me, man. He's a fucking retard.
The other fella's bottom tower's gone for good. The Dire went and fortified their structure.
Nice, we'll get 2 tier 2 towers. Awesome things happen when you manage to
There
do
goes
something
one of the
good.
other fella's mid-towers.
Go, we got 10 seconds.
The armor of omniscience.
At least he had to use his fucking ulti. Okay, we gotta go back. Get back. Nice push, nice team wipe. Looking good, looking much better now. I'm kind of afraid if they jump me here. It could be dangerous. I got my ulti on, so it's good. They just need to warn me if they have a new gem or something, because if not, they're pretty much safe to gank. Tiny Manta style. I never saw Manta style on Tiny. Oh well. For who? Oh my god, that's really bad. That is really bad, unfortunately. Maybe should have went with Blink on Onyx. Blink Onyx is very good. It gives you tons of survivability and it gives you safe entrance. He doesn't usually have that. I can't burst down Viper. Let's go! Oh, he has Butterfly. Nice. Backtrack with Butterfly. This guy will be untouchable.
All bonds will break.
I can just go. I can go up and farm, wait for them to force a fight, and then I'll come join you guys.
He doesn't need to farm anymore. He has
They're
a
literally waiting for me to chrono and then going in after.
Fear not heresy.
nice feed from Shaman.
Double damage.
Just what we needed. Too ballsy from him. Okay. Don't use it. Don't use it.
Give me magic immune, you fuck!
Okay, this is bad. Nice. Another game. Oh, this is awesome. Yeah, he has haste. Not going to happen. Awesome. Awesome. We gotta get Rex now.
The armor of omniscience.
Nice. Okay, now I gotta go back. Awesome.
The other fellas lost a mid
I think we got it now. I think it's pretty much safe.
There goes the other fella's mid-rags. The other fella's mid-rags is done.
How is he going to kill bottom one without the... just play. I'm talking to myself to just play and not worry about his stupid ideas. Nice. He got tiny again. Perfect. Best thing that could happen. And we got the top tower. This should be GG.
The other fella's top tower had a little
Nice.
accident.
Double
Your
kill.
bottom
He's
tower
kicking
ain't
ass.
long for this world.
Bloody hell. Kill shit. What the fuck are you doing?
Triple kill.
Okay, he's dead. Just too farmed. Our Void. Always good to have Void on your side.
The other fellas couldn't save their top tower.
Will it be Rampage? Oh yes, it will.
The other fellas aiming to wreck
Nice. Nice.
the other fellas top rags ain't gonna be a problem now.
Okay, we won, guys.
Bottom tower
We won.
ain't long for this world.
Void carried the
other
shit out of
fellas
this
lost
game.
the mid-tower. No
I helped
breaking
a bit
through the
too.
dire structures for now.
Really not bad. And I had a very good early game. So I got some farm. Was successful with it.
The other fella's mid-tower.
Thank you for watching all. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'm going to see you in one of the next videos. Very good win in a ranked match. Cheers guys. See you.